Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Cool Ideas channel. Now, we all know that when it comes to tiny homes on wheels, space is at a premium. But pollution has taken the art of efficient space utilization to a whole new level with the Chicorée. Measuring a mere 6 meters, 19.6 feet, this tiny house manages to pack in not just 3 sleeping spaces, but also a little office and a play area. It's like a clown car of homes. Except without the creepy clown. Despite its size, this pint-sized dwelling can comfortably accommodate up to 5 people. It's like a TARDIS, but without the time travel. Sorry. Doctor Who fans, let's talk about the exterior, shall we? The Chicorée sits proudly on a double-axle trailer, and its red cedar finish with black accents gives it a striking and modern look. It's like a stylish French fashion model, but on wheels. Inside, the Chicorée exudes a modern rustic charm, with wooden accents and vibrant blue cabinetry that adds a touch of personality to the space. Now, the owners, Julie and Vincent, had a vision for their cozy abode. They wanted a welcoming dwelling with a relaxation corner. And whoa, did they get it! The living room features a big sofa positioned next to a large window, offering the perfect spot to read, socialize, or simply gaze out at the world. But wait, there's more. The sofa in the living room doubles as a bed for 2, instantly transforming the space into a cozy bedroom. It's perfect for accommodating guests, or for those nights when you want to pretend you're in a fancy hotel. The Chicorée truly knows how to make the most out of every inch. Now, let's move on to the kitchen. Julia and Vincent decided to keep things simple and opted for a galley-style kitchen with blue cabinetry that pops against the warm wooden countertops. They skipped the refrigerator and oven and went for a 3-burner propane cooktop instead. The bathroom in the Chicorée is surprisingly spacious, featuring a generous shower and ample storage for clothes and toiletries. The tall closet with open shelving is perfect for storing baskets full of all your tiny living essentials. The bathroom even includes a dry toilet, a towel rack, and a big mirror. But hold on, folks, we're not done yet. This tiny house manages to squeeze in a beautiful loft that can be accessed via custom-made mono-stringer stairs. It's like a secret hideaway for grown-ups. The loft features a queen-size bed next to a large window, providing a cozy spot for 2 adults to sleep and enjoy the view. And just a few steps away, there's a separate area designed as a kid's bedroom, complete with a bed and even a small playroom nook. It's like a dream come true for little ones, except without the monster under the bed. And let's not forget the little workspace in the loft, positioned above the living area. It offers a great vantage point to oversee all the tiny house shenanigans. The skilled team from Belluccian made sure to fit the desk under the low ceiling, so you can swing your feet over the edge and pretend you're a kid again. It's like having an adult-sized treehouse, but with Wi-Fi and a coffee machine. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much does this remarkable piece of architectural ingenuity cost? Well, my dear audience, the price for the Chicorée depends on the materials used and the appliances included. Unfortunately, the builder hasn't revealed the exact price for this tiny gem. However, a half-assembled unit from Belluccian starts at €50,000 till $53,600, and a turnkey model starts at €85,000 till $91,100. So, if you've got some spare change under your couch cushions, this ultra-compact tiny house could be yours. In conclusion, the Chicorée may be small in size, but it packs a punch in functionality and style. With its clever use of space, versatile design, and charming details, this tiny home is a testament to the limitless possibilities of living small. So whether you're looking for a cozy vacation home or a compact dwelling to call your own, the Chicorée has got you covered. Thank you for joining me today on this hilarious journey through the world of ultra-compact tiny houses. If you enjoyed this article and want to keep up with more cool ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. Until next time, folks, keep laughing and dreaming big in the tiniest of spaces.